morning from our first full day together, just the two of us. And I started with a shower. I normally don't do like showers first thing in the morning because I'm one of those, like, I prefer to wash my day off than to like wear it all day. So but I just really wanted to do a shower this morning. And while I was in there, somebody emptied the dishwasher and made breakfast this morning. He's looking around like, don't know who that is. So the other day on Instagram, I saw a reel from the Instant Pot official, which we have an Instant Pot and I like following them for the recipes. But they had a reel on there that said that you could make s'mores in the air fryer, and especially with the kids not here, I don't really want to do like anything fire outside, plus our fire pit needs replaced. But And we don't have the Instant Pot air fryer, but we have the Ninja Foodie Grill, which is an air fryer grill, bakes. And when Matt and I went grocery shopping yesterday, we found marshmallows and graham crackers and chocolate. Sorry. Chocolate. We freeze our chocolate. It lasts longer. We just like it better. But we want to play around with it and see what happens. Actual Instant Pot official video, and again, they were using their brand air fryer. They showed the final product, and their marshmallows were toasted around the edge and looked like browned on the edge. Ours did not do that in our air fryer, so I don't know. I'm one of those people that, like, when I have a s'more, I like to like completely grill mine all the way around it. Matt likes his perfectly toasted. But yeah, like, it doesn't actually look as toasted in a Ninja Foodie Grill air fryer as it showed from the Instant Pot air fryers. Maybe it's just a difference in the air fryers. But I mean, at least still, like, if you wanted to do it inside and it's rainy and you had to cancel like plans or something, then you could try it for that. I would also highly recommend doing the marshmallows on the cracker first, and then like also like staining them on the flat side, not the round side, just staining them on that for 2 minutes and then doing the chocolate for a minute, because if not, it makes the chocolate really, really melty, which depending on who you are, that might be, you know, a plus or minus. But if you're doing it for like little kids, you may not want it like super melty, because I still remember having little kids, even though all of mine are teenagers away at teen camp right now. So yeah, I may try that again another time. But yeah, I actually prefer mine a little more toasted than that. That's actually one out of the bag, but that's basically how it came out of the air fryer, was that it didn't look toasted at all. Also, these are so cute. I've never seen like marshmallows this small but it was so cute. Anyways. Hey Matt, how can you always tell when it's the 4th of July in the South?
The low-lying smoke from all the fireworks.
What is the actual smell from the fireworks that we're smelling?
The burning powder, phosphorus powder, probably.
You actually can't even see it in the camera, look. Yeah, it's just pitch dark. You can see the rocks. That's about it. Lightning bugs. Well, there were just lightning bugs.